This is AP Econ, we got tons of raps. We got micro, we got macro, we got to know each hack. Here's a rap with a simple beat and put to a rhyme. So you know the major raps and you'll be just fine. First you start with your axes and a title on top. But don't forget to label or your score will drop. After that you really just gotta be a master of graphing the economy. In the market we start with our basic P and Q. Supply goes up as demand comes down through. Equilibrium is where they cross an S equals D. And that's the happy place for both the price and quantity. If you're changing the price and you just pick a new dot, well, a non-price factor shifts the whole line a lot. At equilibrium, no one's gonna make a fuss, because consumers and producers have the same surplus.
Watch out for externalities in the market, spillovers effect, more than just the target. For positive ones, you should add subsidies, raise taxes to fix bad externalities. When drawing spills out, consider society. It's not that hard though, so don't have anxiety. Just start with the MRMC that's in your mind, and add an extra line based on which kind.
This is AP Econ, we got tons of raps. We got micro, we got macro, we got to know each hack. Here's a rap with a simple beat and put to a rhyme. So you know the major raps and you'll be just fine. First you start with your axes and a title on top. But don't forget to label or your score will drop. After that you really just gotta be a master of graphing the economy. The money market here is controlled by the Fed. We change the money supply as you should have read. Should the discount or reserve rate, the Fed will make alterations, or they'll change it using different open market operations. Change your money supply is going to change little I. The nominal interest rate, which you don't want too high, because it changes how much people are going to invest. And that's the linear graph we call investment demand.
The change in big I is going to shift the AD like the other main components of our GDP. With the expenditure approach, you just set CIGX, so the income approach, but that is much more complex. In the ASAD, if the price level is high, that's a surplus because you'll have more aggregate supply. But then you have to know, on the other hand, low prices are short, it's too much aggregate demand.
Don't forget that in the long run there's an LRA assigned. When it hits the intersection, the economy is fine. Full employment output is what it's going to show you. Know your intersection if you're anywhere below. That's a Phillips curve there with the short and long run. The long one's inelastic and the short's the curve one. Relates the annual inflation rate to unemployment, and the long one shows a natural rate at 4 to 6%.
Here, in a perfectly competitive place, use MR equals MC as your base. Also remember, Mr. Dark is the ruler. That's why the firm becomes the loser. When graphing, don't forget your P's and Q's. Use intercepts to find your revenue. In the long run, that's why being a price taker isn't fun.
Well, in a monopoly, the firm is the boss, but the society loses through the deadweight loss. Well, there's only one firm, there's 3 degrees. Price discrimination raises our student fees. When you're the price maker, it means that you're the king. To maximize profits, still recall one thing. MR equals MC, that's the golden rule. Disobey that and you'll look like a fool. This is AP Econ, we got tons of graphs. We got micro, we got macro, we got to know each hack. Now we know that economics in your head is right. Don't you ever forget that econ is life.
Hey! You guys nailed